Hi class and hi families. I would like to do a very quick tutorial on how you can check in on your student. How do you know that they're making sure that they're completing all of their Canvas activities? While this very first week of school, all of the Canvas activities are ungraded and they will not count towards Skyward Quarter 1 grades, it is important now to start checking to see that your student is capable of doing this work online so that we don't have problems further down the road, especially since starting next week, what we do in Canvas will be counted towards Quarter 1 grades. So we want to make sure that your student knows how to navigate Canvas and that we know how to check in on them to hold them accountable. So let's take a look real quick in Student View. You're looking right now at our homeroom as a student would. The biggest difference is that I have added a new navigational button for you. Previously, you only had access to Home, Announcements, and Modules. Now you have access to grades as well. It's important to keep in mind that these grades are not Skyward grades. These are the grades that are taken in Canvas. And just because there are grades in Canvas doesn't mean they're automatically going to be in Skyward. So when the quarter begins next week and grades are being taken, you want to really focus on Skyward for what grades will show up on the report card. Canvas is just checking on their accountability, making sure they're doing their practice work and their work throughout the day. So before we move into grades, let's just look very carefully on the right-hand side where the to-dos are. You can see here that the megaphone are announcements, the paper with the pencil are assignments, and the rocket is a quiz. These are things that I have assigned in the first 2 days of school. Now let's take a look at grades. When I look at the grades for the test student, you're going to see hyperlinks that take you to all of the activities. You will also see the due date for the activities. The status is whether it is late or missing or whether it was turned in on time. The score will either be a paper or a recording picture if it has not been graded yet. If it has been graded, it will look like a check mark. If it was done incomplete or incorrect, there will be an X. On this side, this tells you how many points each of the activities are worth. Since it's the beginning of the school year and we're all learning Canvas, each of these activities have no weight, but they are a check whether or not you've done it or you have not done it. So if you notice here, the test student did complete their work for the quick write, but they did not complete their work for the math mystery. This means you might want to ask your child if they can go back to their grades, look at their assignments that are missing, and turn those assignments in before Friday. Sometimes it's just a confusion. They don't know how to submit it. So for example, if I wanted to submit the circle of control visual, I would click on the purple button, Submit Assignment. It is then going to show me the original activity so I can read over it again. And at the bottom, it's going to allow me to record my video. And once I am done recording, let's show you what that looks like. I record my video. Once I am done recording, I click on Finish. Unfortunately, it won't show me my webcam because I'm using the record right now. You can save it with a title or not, but I'll give it a title, My Test Video. And then you hit the Save button. But you're not done yet. You still have to hit Submit Assignment. So now let's go back to grades again for that test student. You'll notice here underneath the circle of control visual, I've now turned in that assignment, but I haven't graded it yet. You'll know it's graded because there'll be a check or an X. So now I've kind of walked you through how you check your students' grades to see what they're working on and if they've been completing their work, and you've also seen how to submit an assignment. If they don't submit the assignment through Canvas and they share it with me on the email through Google Docs or through Google Slides, I still go back in here and I check off that it's been done correctly. It may say missing, but it will have a check mark because I have found it in my email. So please make sure that you look through the grades. Now is a great time in the middle of the week starting Wednesday to start talking about what is the reason why we can't complete these activities? What help does Ms. Perdomo have to offer you so that you can submit these activities on time? Thank you very much for watching this video.